We also use indefinite article, that is a or an, to show that someone or something belongs to a particular group. For example, Neha is a singer. So Neha belongs to the group of singers. Okay, that is why she is a singer. Something belongs to a group. So she belongs to a group of singer. We can take Neha as a singer. So singer is a group of those who sing, though they are called singer. So she is also belongs to that group of singing, a person who sings. Okay. So that is why we are using the indefinite article a. Now we come to the. The is the definite article. Okay. The definite article is the word the. It is used before a noun to specify it as something previously considered. This is only one rule. Let us come to the different rules of the. Okay. When to use the. Use the after you have talked about it the first time. For example, this is a dog. So first time we introduce that animal to someone. This is a dog. The dog is brown. So after introducing that particular animal, second time we are talking about that particular dog. So when we are talking about that particular dog, we say the. We use the. So we are using the to identify that particular dog. Clear? So we use the after you have talked about it the first time. Next, use the when the person you are talking to already knows what you are talking about. Okay, you are talking to your father. Suppose you're talking to your father and you're telling, I am going to the bank. So your father already knows about what you are talking. You're talking about the bank. So here we use a definite article the. That is, you're telling a person about a place which is already known to him or her. Okay. Now third, use the when you talk about general places in nature like the lake, the mountains, the ocean, the beach, etc. Now see children, we use the mountains when we talk in general about the mountains. Okay. But when we talk about any proper particular mountain range or particular mountain, then we don't use the. Okay. So when we are talking about the general places in nature, then we use the. Let's go to the beach. I love to camp in the mountains. Finally, use the when you are talking about something that there is only one of and everyone knows about it. The sky, the earth, the stars as a group. So how many places are the people are there on the earth? We are talking about one earth. There is only one earth. Okay? The sky is so beautiful today. So how many skies are there? Only one sky. So the sky, so we use the before the sky. So please remember that we use the for general places in nature but not specific, like for mountain peaks. Mount Everest. We do not use we do not use the definite article the. Is it clear till here? Next, these are the nouns with which we use the. Children, please learn it and remember where to use the. Okay, like musical instruments, we use the before the musical instruments. When it is only one of a kind, like the moon, star, sun, planet, earth, world, we use the. Before the names of oceans and seas, we use the. Before the names of mountain ranges, the Alps, the Himalayas, the Rockies, the Andes, we use the, but not for a particular peak of mountain. For group of people, we use the young, the old, the rich, the poor. Again, for rivers, we are using the names of rivers, the Amazon, the Ganges, the Nile, the Mississippi, the Danube, the Seine. For nationalities or families, we are using the. And for some countries, we are using the. Why? We use the in front of before only the name of those countries or places which have got those countries, sorry, not places, those countries which have got some geographical importance or speciality, some geographical speciality. Okay, for example, in India we use the Punjab. Why? Because Punjab is the only place in entire India through which 5 rivers flow. Okay, that is why we say the Punjab. Similarly, all these countries have got some special geographical feature for which we use the before these countries, not before all countries. Okay. We use the before a singular countable noun that represents a whole class of animals or things. For example, the peacock is a beautiful bird. So peacock, here we are talking about one peacock, but the peacock is representing the whole class of peacocks. Whole class of peacocks. Okay. The is used with superlative adjectives. Example, Tina is the most talented girl in her family. She is the youngest in her family. So before all superlative adjectives, we use the article the. See, now there is some exception. Normally, you don't use the definite article the in front of proper nouns like names of people. But when we use a proper noun as an adjective, we use article the. Like, he is the Sachin Tendulkar of the game. So here Sachin Tendulkar is not the name, not being used as a proper noun. But Sachin Tendulkar is being used as an adjective over here. Okay, means he is also playing so well. That is why we are giving him the title like